We'll guide you through how to make smooth face in Snapseed. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to the list of apps on your phone so you can find the editing application you need. Once the app list is open, use the search tool and type Snapseed into the search bar. Wait for the search results to appear, then find the Snapseed application in the list. Click on it to open Snapseed and allow the app to load completely before continuing. After the application opens, tap the Add Photo button to begin a new editing project. Browse through your gallery and select the photo that you want to edit. When the image appears on the screen, look for the Tools button near the editing options. Tap the Tools button to extend more editing choices and display the available features. From the list of tools, look carefully until you find the Portrait option. Tap the Portrait option to open it and access the portrait editing settings. Once the feature is open, make sure that you are in the skin smoothing section before making any changes. To make the skin appear smoother, slide the adjustment control gently to the right until you notice the effect you want. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also use one of the available templates instead of adjusting everything manually. Continue adjusting the smoothness until the photo looks natural and matches your preference. Take your time while making small changes so the final image remains realistic and balanced. When you are satisfied with the appearance of the edited photo, locate the checkmark button on the screen. Tap the checkmark button to apply all of your changes and complete the editing process. After doing this, the application will display the final result, allowing you to review the improved photo with smoother skin. If everything looks the way you expected, your editing is successfully finished.